Top 5 animals that seem to disappear. Their camouflage is next level. Number 5. Leaf-tailed gecko. Its body mimics bark and leaves so well it's nearly invisible on trees. Number 4. Pygmy, seahorse, tiny and color matching. It hides perfectly among sea corals. Number 3. Cuttlefish. This sea creature can shift its color and texture in seconds to blend in. Number 2. Owl with feather patterns like dried grass. It hides perfectly among tall grasses. Number 1. Leaf insect. Its body shape and veins look just like a real leaf swaying in the wind. Which animal's camouflage surprised you most? Like, comment, and subscribe for more.